Welcome to my channel, Living Linux. Although I pre-ordered the Starlight Mark III 11-inch Linux laptop, today I ordered another laptop, and I have to admit it is a Windows laptop, and well, that's not my preference, but considering the price, I thought I wanted to have it anyway. So it's about the GemiBook from Chuwi, and today is a special sale, and I think today is also the first day that they launched it, and it comes in at around 260 euros, and perhaps with a special coupon you can get a little bit more discount. And for your people in the European Union, you can ship it from Spain, and that means that you don't have to worry about import duties. And at this price, at this special offer, I think it even is slightly cheaper than the Pinebook Pro after shipping and import duties. The GemiBook is a rather thin laptop. It has a 13-inch screen and with a 3x2 dimension. Not my favorite, but considering the price, I can't really complain much about it. Surprisingly, it comes with 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage. It is a low power CPU. The advantage is that you don't need a fan, so passive cooling is sufficient. And it still comes with a USB-C port, and it also comes with a full USB-A, USB 3 port, and it still has a headphone jack, and there's room for a micro SD card. And of course it also comes with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So here you can see on one side there is the USB 3.0 USB-A port, headphone jack, micro SD card slot. It still has a dedicated charger port, but you can also charge it through USB Type-C. And in that case, I would recommend a dock. Well, since I mentioned that it comes with Windows Standard, but once it gets delivered, one of the first things I'll do is see if Ubuntu will run properly on this machine. So hopefully, I think in a week or so, I should get it delivered. And hopefully around that time, I will also be able to put up a video. So that's all for today, and I hope to see you again in my next video.